Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming codec and battery status so you avoid latency and dropouts. Once done, put both transmitter and headphones into pairing mode and verify the audio interface output type. Make sure the interface output level is set low to prevent loud pops. Then plug the transmitter into the designated monitor output, 1/4 TRS or RCA adapter as required. If using a USB dongle, connect to your computer but route monitor output to it in your audio settings. This gets the signal path live and ready. Once paired, route sound from your DAW or system to the interface output feeding the transmitter so you control the source. Next, set buffer size to balance latency and stability. Smaller buffer reduces delay but may spike CPU. Then calibrate levels. Bring interface trim to unity, lower headphone volume, and slowly raise until clear without clipping. Make sure to use direct monitoring if needed to avoid double monitoring. Keep an eye on indicators for sync and RF strength to ensure a stable connection. You finish by verifying full session stability. Perform a quick range test and listen for any dropouts while the transmitter is in its intended position. If you encounter latency or stuttering, raise the buffer, select a lower latency codec, or relocate sources to avoid RF interference. When problems persist, power cycle devices, repair, and check for firmware updates on transmitter and headphones. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio is intermittent, switch to a wired headphone for diagnosis to isolate wireless from.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.